Hello there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring healthy dinner ideas that can aid your weight loss journey. Do remember to subscribe and check the description for more resources. Without further ado, let's dive into our first healthy dinner idea. Our first dinner idea is grilled salmon with quinoa and veggies. This dish is a powerhouse of healthy ingredients. The star of the show, salmon, is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart-healthy benefits. Then we have quinoa, a complete protein that also contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's a fantastic source of fiber and iron too. Now, on to the veggies. We're using a colorful array of bell peppers, zucchinis, and cherry tomatoes, all of which are rich in vitamins and antioxidants. The process is straightforward. Grill the salmon to your liking, cook the quinoa until it's fluffy and tender, then sauté the veggies until they're just right. Portion control is key here. A good rule of thumb is to fill half your plate with veggies, a quarter with quinoa, and the remaining quarter with salmon. This delicious and nutritious dish will not only satisfy your taste buds but also help you with your weight loss journey. Next up, we have a chicken stir-fry with brown rice. This dish is a fantastic blend of flavors and nutrients, ideal for anyone looking to maintain a balanced diet. Let's start off with the star of the meal, the chicken. Opting for lean cuts of chicken breast not only reduces the fat content, but also provides a substantial amount of protein, crucial for muscle development and recovery. Next, we have a colorful array of veggies. Bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots all contribute their unique set of vitamins and antioxidants, aiding in overall health and well-being. Now let's talk about the brown rice. Unlike its white counterpart, brown rice retains the whole grain, offering higher fiber content and promoting better digestion. Plus, it gives a satisfying, nutty flavor that complements the stir-fry beautifully. Cooking this dish is straightforward. Sauté the chicken and veggies, then combine with the cooked brown rice. A dash of low-sodium soy sauce enhances the flavors while keeping the meal heart-healthy. Not only is this dish packed with protein and fiber, but it's also incredibly tasty and filling. Our final idea for a healthy dinner is a veggie-packed omelet with avocado. This dish is a powerhouse of nutrition filled with proteins from the eggs, healthy fats from the avocado, and a rainbow of vitamins and minerals from the vegetables. Let's get cooking. Start by whisking together a couple of eggs. Then, in a non-stick pan, sauté a variety of veggies of your choice. Think bell peppers, spinach, tomatoes, and onions for a burst of flavor and essential nutrients. Pour the beaten eggs over the sautéed veggies and let it cook until it's set. Now it's time for our star ingredient, the avocado. Known for its healthy fats and fiber, it can help you feel full and satisfied, curbing those late-night cravings. Slice it up and place it on top of your omelet. This meal is a great way to end your day, providing you with essential nutrients without the extra calories. Those were our top 3 healthy dinner ideas for weight loss. We've explored the succulent goodness of grilled salmon with quinoa and veggies, the hearty and colorful chicken stir-fry with brown rice, and the protein-rich veggie-packed omelet with avocado. Each meal balances great taste, nutritional value, and calorie control beautifully, making them ideal for your weight loss journey. Don't forget though, it's not just about the recipes, it's also about portion control and maintaining a balanced diet. This approach not only aids in weight loss but also fosters overall health. So get creative in the kitchen, savor these delicious recipes, and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, it's about being healthy. Enjoy your meals and see you in our next video.